Daddy, how old are you?
I'm 32.
That's too much. When will you die? Daddy, when will the baby come?
This isn't a baby. This is my belly.
When will you give birth to the belly?
Huh?
Daddy,
Yes, baby.
I am in love.
What? With whom?
I don't know. What happened, Daddy?
I'm in love.
With whom?
With Mummy.
Oh, you must cry more.
Hello, honey.
Listen, he's married, okay? He has 2 kids.
She's your mum.
What's this, Mommy?
Those are your daddy's shoes.
Is Daddy an elephant?
What?